Acara itu dilaksanakan di aula sekolah dan dihadiri oleh seluruh murid, para guru, dan hebat ya, mereka juga mengundang orang tua. Mungkin ini mirip dengan upacara hari Senin versi Indonesia, namun suasananya lebih santai, tapi juga tetap tertib. Sebelum memulai acara, mereka akan dengan hikmat menyanyikan lagu kebangsaan untuk menjaga nasionalisme. Acara dimulai dengan kepala sekolah memberikan apresiasi kepada seluruh orang tua yang hadir. Berikutnya, kepala sekolah menawarkan kepada para murid siapa yang akan berbagi cerita tentang pengalaman mereka minggu lalu. Dan yang menakjubkan, banyak murid yang berebut ingin berbagi ceritanya.
I guess the main purpose of our assembly is to develop the public speaking skills within our children, because it's a very hard job. It's one of the most frightening things to do is to stand in front of 350 people and speak confidently. There's a lot of skills they learn there that they can't learn within a classroom. They have to understand why I say speak up. They have to understand why I say prepare yourself before you go to assembly. You cannot get up there and read out a certificate for someone that you haven't practiced their names of. Because that certificate is very important to the person. And see, here again we say that's how you show someone respect. Yeah. When you give them a certificate, you take the time to read their name before and pronounce it as best as you can, rather than believing that it's not important. So assembly is where they can actually practice those skills that they've learned with. So assembly is really important because we develop with our children these socializing skills. And so when we give them a Student of the Week award or Aussie of the Month award, we as a family, a school family, join to celebrate that this child has achieved it. When someone has a birthday, we sing them happy birthday together as a family, and make them feel important that it's their birthday, because to us it is important that they were born and it's their birthday. It's all part of our program of developing within our children a confidence and self-esteem of themselves.